Advanced medicated intensive face hand, feet whitening, night cream.
Purea anti-acne clear skin anti-blemishes pore tightening serum dermatologically developed.
Advanced formulation of night creams helps to effectively and efficiently control melanin production locally and thus helps to whiten complexion up to 6 tones. Medicated serum is formulated in many forms. This patient has ordered for active acne, blemishes, open pores, skin rejuvenation purpose.
All Purea products are of dermatologists and are advised to buy according to your skin details and concerns. Otherwise, you will experience no results or side effects.
Hope you like the video. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Directions to use of products are mentioned on pamphlet. Please read carefully and ask our nurses on social media for more details. Virtual skin appointment card. Thank you for watching. Show some love by liking and sharing.